the 13th, 14th. Yeah, 14th episode of Donald Duck. So, I have a Nutella donut and is it like a chicken sandwich or something?
Chicken something.
It's a chicken something from McDonald's. So let's go ahead and try the Nutella donut first because it looks absolutely, totally awesome. Look at that. It has cocaine. So let's go ahead and see what it could taste like. There's a hair on it. That's not a good sign. 3, 2, 1. All that was just bread. Wait, there's no filling to this? I was expecting there to be like a Nutella filling in it. That's so bad.
You can spread the Nutella on top.
Mason review. Wait, did I? I think I just forgot to do the intro. Oh. Well, this tastes pretty good. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good donut. Alright, next up. We have something that I don't know. What? A chicken something. So the chicken something was a burger that was just introduced. And we're gonna go ahead and try it. I've never actually tried it. I basically never tried a burger. The only time I actually tried a burger was just one bite, and it was from I don't even know. But look at how smooth it is. Oh. I don't think I should eat a burger with Nutella taste.
I think you should.
3. Oh, look, there's even chicken. Well, obviously, because it's a chicken something. 3, 2, 1.
First ever chicken burger.
Well, sorry, I just hate the aftertaste, but it actually tastes pretty decent. I can definitely finish this. I prefer the Nutella donut. The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage rubbing capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues.